Hope we have created the four bodies, like three bodies till now, main, bottom, and top. So in most of this recording, we are seeing this black screen. So I'm turning off this browser for now. So let's design at the back side of the bottom. We will be designing the charger at first. So let's create it. Go to create sketch. Select this rubber face. Yes. So now press P in your P in your keyboard to project the outer circle. Press P, select this outer circle and press OK. So we have projected the outer circle. So then once done, finish the sketch. Now let's hide this bodies for now. Go to bodies and hide main, bottom and top. Once done, go to extrude, select this. So I guess, yeah, go to extrude, select this edge and three profiles. Select these three profiles, drag this arrow downwards and give this dimension as 25. Yes. And the most important thing here, don't press enter. As you can see in the operation, it is showing join. Change this join as new body because we are creating a new body charge. So we don't want to join it to the bottom body. So create this operation as new body with a dimension of 25 and press OK. So as you can see, a new body is created. So rename it, right click, rename, and rename it as charger and press enter. So once done, now we will be creating the charger pins. So hide the bottom body, navigate, create sketch, select this face. Now we must project the same slot which we have designed on the back of the bottom, like at the bottom of the bottom body. So just navigate it by clicking shift and middle mouse button, hide the charger and unhide the bottom and navigate it downwards. Now we will project this slot on the face of the charger. So let's press P in your keyboard, select this edge, this slot. You can select multiple by just selecting the left mouse button. As you can see in the geometry, we have selected the four edges, and also select these circles, not the outer circle. Select the inner circle. One second, I deselected it. So once you select the slot, select the inner circle and three. So once done, press OK. Now just zoom out, unhide this charger and hide the bottom. So once you navigate, this sketch will appear on the top face of the charger. So now we'll offset the outer circle. We will go to offset or click O in your keyboard, select the outer circle, drag it inside and give this dimension as -5. We are giving it -5 because we need the circle inside the model. So if you give +5, it will go away from the model. So once done, press OK. So the slots and the offset we have created. Now let's extrude this profile. So finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Select this profile. Drag upwards and give the dimension as 2 mm and press enter. See, the distance is 2 mm and make sure that operation is in join and press enter. So now as you can see, the slot is not visible. So you can go to sketches. There are multiple sketches here. Go to last sketch here, unhide it. You can see now the slot is visible. So close this arrow, this body arrow. So for now, I'm going to close this browser because you can see a black screen will appear if I do this, open this browser. So let's extrude this slot. Go to extrude. Now you cannot select that extrude, right? So you can just long press your left mouse button on this profile. You can see three options will appear here: profile, face, and face. So select profile. Oh, you can do it again. Long press your left mouse button on this profile. Select this profile. So I guess something went wrong. Or you can just go to bodies and hide this charge. I guess it is not joined properly. So we'll go to sketch, go to sketch. This profile is not selected properly. If you are facing this problem, you can just go to create and select this slot. You can just design this slot. Go to center slot, select this point and this point. Just drag it till this point. A sketch will be created and press escape. Go to finish. So zoom out, navigate, then select extrude, select this profile, select these three profiles also. See the four profiles are selected now. Unhide this charger, extrude and give the dimension as 1 mm. Or you can just select the outer space of this slot and give the dimension as 1 mm and press enter. Now just hide the sketches and we will extrude the pins. So go to extrude, select these inner faces, these three faces, and just drag it and give the dimension as 1.5 mm and press enter. Zoom out, see a charger is created. Now let's fillet this. We will give the smoothen surface. So press F in your keyboard, select this upper edge, upper circle, and this circle. So three edges are created, selected. So we will give the dimension, say 3 mm. Yes, that looks good. And press enter. Then we will fillet again. Fillet. Now we will just fillet the sharp edges. So navigate, zoom in, select this edge, this edge. So three edges are created. Give the fillet as 1 mm. Press enter. So once done, so we have given the fillet as 1 mm. So we will give a fillet to this edge also. Press F in your keyboard, select this edge, give this as 0.1 and press enter. So that looks good. We will fillet these slots also. Press F, select this slot, zoom in, select this bottom edge. So give this as 0.1 and press enter. So the charger is created. So as you can see in the browser, four bodies are created: main, bottom, top, and the charge. So we have created a charger. I will hide these three. So any doubts regarding charger? If you're finding any difficulty of any tools, then let me know. So I will wait for 2 minutes. So we will start the battery. We will going to design the battery. So once done with the battery, then the whole solid modeling will be finished. So if you have any doubts regarding the charger, so any tools or any operation, so let me know. Thank you, Navinya. So I guess no one have any doubts. So we'll move further. Let's design the battery. So for now, we will hide this charger and we will unhide the main. So let's create a sketch at the bottom face of the main. So go to create, select this profile for sketch. A sketch box will appear here. So let's create it. So draw a center point rectangle. First, we'll draw the construction line, that X and Y lines. Go to L line, or you can press L in your keyboard. Select this construction line type. Click left mouse button and just drag it and press escape and select another line. Let the line type be in construction. Just drag upwards and press escape. So let's draw the center point rectangle. Go to create rectangle. There is a center rectangle here. First, make sure that you have turned off the construction. Just draw a rectangle from the center point. So and press left mouse button. So let's give the dimension. So you can press D in your keyboard. Select this line and give the dimension as 78. Press enter. And select this line and give the dimension as 120. Press enter. So once done, then we will be designing the 2 point circle. We will going to circle. Here's a 2 point circle. Select it. Then select this point and just drag it downwards. So we will make sure that this point coincide with this line, and we will give the dimension as 30 and press enter. Now we can create the same circle on the all the four edges, all these 4 points, but it will take a lot of time. So there is a shortcut called rectangular pattern, or you can use mirror. Let's select the mirror, select this object. See, the object is selected. Select this dialog box and select this line. The mirror line will be this construction line. See, another circle will be created. So press OK. Now just continue the same step. Go to mirror, select this circle, and also select this circle. Select the mirror line as this horizontal line. So once done, press OK. The 4 circles will be created, and just remove the extra parts. So there is option called trim, or you can press T in your keyboard, T, and just remove these lines 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once done, press escape. Now we can finish the sketch. Press home icon. Sketch is created. So for now we will hide the main and we will extrude this sketch. Select extrude, select this profile, this profile, this profile, this profile, and this profile. Just drag it upwards and give this dimension as 10 mm. So we have given here -10 because we need this to be in upward direction. So if you give the +10, then it will go in downward direction. So once you give the dimensions 10 mm, press OK. Now as you can see, if I unhide the main, a new body is created here. So hide the main for now. Just navigate. Now there is a step called pattern. If you go to create and if you go to pattern, you can see rectangular pattern, circular pattern. This is same which we have used in sketches. Here the 3D models will be converted into number of patterns. In sketch, in sketch, same sketch will be converted in number of patterns. So let's create the rectangular pattern. Let the body type be let the object type be body. Select this body and give the axis as this green line, y-axis. If you drag upwards, three bodies will be created. So let it be three, and we will give this distance as 300 mm. Once done, press enter. So three bodies are created: body 5, body 6, and body 7. If you unhide the main, as you can see, three bodies are created. Hide the main. So let's create sketch on this face. So go to create and zoom in and select this face. Now we will be creating the cells. We will be creating the three cells. Go to circle. If you just take a cursor at somewhat this point, a small circle will appear. Just select that circle, drag it, and give this dimension as 30. I guess 30. You can give this as 28. That looks good. Draw another circle. Draw this from same. When you take a cursor here, a small circle appear. Just drag it and give this as 28. And also do it by constructing two construction lines, and you can mirror the same. Let's do this. Go to line, select line type as construction, select this point, just drag it, give any dimension, press left mouse button and press escape. Let's mirror this two circle. Go to create, mirror, select this first circle and select this second circle. See, the two objects are created here. Go to mirror line and select this mirror line. So press OK. So once done, finish the sketch. So press the home button. Now we will just extrude this until this face. So go to, I forgot to create another circle here. So if I want to go to the same sketch, now you can double click the sketch, or you can go to browser and you can go to sketch. Now I will double click the sketch on the timeline. Just double click it. Let's create the another circle. Select circle. If you just take a cursor to this circle and if you just, or you can, let's create a construction line. Go to line, select the construction as line type, select this point and just drag it upwards. Let's create a vertical line and press escape. Now select circle, make sure that construction is turned off. Just take a cursor to this point and just drag it. Don't press left mouse button, just drag it until this construction line and press left mouse button. Now give the dimension as 28. Press enter. Do the same here. Go to circle, take a cursor to this point and just drag it. And you can see you cannot select this line. So you can go to just this point and just drag it downwards. Or you can mirror it. Like you can select the mirror, select this object, give the mirror line as this X construction line, this horizontal line, and press OK. So total 6 circles are created. So finish the sketch. So once done, let's press home button. So yes, so next we will create the cells. Go to extrude or press E in your keyboard. Select these 6 profiles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See, 6 selected. You can see 6 selected in the profile. So just drag it upwards. See, the operation is automatically changed into cut. Make sure that the operation is in join. And here in the extend type, select it. You can see three options: distance to object, all. Select to object and navigate it. Select the object as this face. See, if you navigate, this will extrude until this face. If you select all, it will go beyond this. So we need only till to object. We'll give the operation as join and press OK. So our six cells are created, as you can see. Now we'll resketch on the same face. Go to create, zoom in, select this face. We'll be going to create a rectangle, like I can say a circle. Mm, give me a minute, I will check the dimension. So we'll be creating a center point rectangle. So once you create sketch on that face, this workspace will appear. So select create, go to rectangle, center point rectangle. Select this point and just drag it. You can give the dimension here also without pressing enter, or you can select D and give the dimension. For now, I will be giving the dimension. As you can see, a blue color will appear at the length, like at the width. So we will give the dimension as say 78. Yes, that looks good. So, and if you press tab, you can change the position of the dimension. So if you press tab and give the height as 55 and press enter. So a rectangle is created. So once done, you can just navigate and you can check. Yes. So finish the sketch and extrude this profile. You can navigate, press extrude, and you can press this profile. Profile is selected. Just drag it upwards, and the step which you have followed previously, you can go to extend type. There are three types here: distance to object and all. We'll select to object. We will just navigate, pan, and we'll select this face. Now, as you can see, the operation is in cut. Change it to join. Make sure that operation is in join and press OK. So once done, so we will create sketch at this face. So create sketch, select this face, navigate. Now we'll be creating a rectangle. First, we will create the construction line. Go to line, press X in a keyboard to turn on this construction, or you can press this icon here. So select the center point, just drag it upwards, press left mouse button and press escape. You can give any dimension because this construction line will not interfere with your sketch. Then we will go to create a rectangle. We will go to create, go to rectangle, select 2 point rectangle, or you can press R in your keyboard. Just we will create a rectangle. So still the construction is on. You can turn off the construction and just drag it downwards and press escape. So you can give the dimension now. Select D in a keyboard. Give this dimension as 15 and give this dimension as 15. Also give these two dimensions as 15. Sorry, give this dimension as 5 and give this dimension as 5. Press enter. Rectangle is created. Finish the sketch. So once the sketch is finished, we will convert the sketch into a 3D model. So navigate by clicking shift and middle mouse button. Select this extrude. Select this profile. Just drag it front. Just drag it like this. So make sure that the operation is in join and give this distance as 25. Yes, that looks good. So press enter. So we have created the rectangle. And make sure this operation is in join. Okay. So once the rectangle is created, so we will project the same slot which we have designed in the main body. So let's create a sketch on this face. Now we will unhide this main. Now you can see this is not aligned with this profile. So we must rotate this body. So we will just finish this sketch. As you can see, a blank sketch is created. You can just press it and delete it. Now we will just rotate this body. We can go to top view, press M in your keyboard, select this body and this point. Now just rotate it to minus 90 degree and press enter. Once done, see this rectangular will just matches with this profile. Now we will create a sketch. We will hide the main. We'll create a sketch on this profile. Now we will unhide the main. We need this slot to be sketched on that on this rectangular face. So go to front and we will press P in our keyboard. Select this inner slot, this profile, and press OK. Now I can hide the main. So a profile is created, a sketch is created on this face. So once done, we will just offset this sketch, this slot which we have projected. We'll go to offset. We'll select this slot and just drag it away from the sketch and give this dimension, say, -5. That looks good and press OK and finish the sketch. Now navigate. Now we'll convert this sketch into a 3D. So we'll go to extrude. We'll select this all the profiles, select the individual profiles. Make sure that we have selected complete slot. Now the main thing is you must unhide the main. You must match with this surface, right? If you extrude, then it will not matches with this surface. So there is an option called in the extend select to object. Now we will select this surface, this inner surface of the main. As you can see how it is completely aligned with the surface. Make sure that the operation is in join and press OK. So see how neatly it is aligned with this surface. So now you find difficulty. You see the charger and the main all are became a one body. So we will just go to extrude, make sure that the operation is in new body and press OK. Now charger is done. Body 6, body 8, body 5 and body 7. So 4 bodies are created. So we will hide this main. So see, this body is 6, body is 8 and body 5 and body 7. So we will just combine all this body. So I guess something Yes. So that's correct. So now we will combine these bodies. So go to modify, combine, select any one of these four bodies. Let's select body 6. See the target body is selected. Let's select the tool bodies, body 8, body 5, and body 7. So if you press OK, error will appear because we have given this body, because we have selected this main as surface, right? So error will appear. So let's only combine these three bodies. Go to modify, combine, select this target body as this any one of the body, select body 5 and body 7. Press OK. I guess something went wrong. Yes. So we'll go to combine, select this body and this body. Yes. So a new body is created. Yes. So the most part of the charger is done. See, a new body is created. You can rename it and you can give this name as charger. Sorry, give this as battery. Now the battery is created. Press enter. I hope you guys have understood it. So the main is done, top is done, bottom is done, and the charger is done. And also the battery is done. If you hide the main, you can see the battery, how it is correct, totally aligned with the product. So yes, most part of is done. We will just fillet the sharp edges now. Hide this main, bottom, top, and the back, and the charger. So we will just fillet the sharp edges. Press F. Select this edge, this edge, and this edge. Also select the upper edge. This edge, this edge, this edge, and this. Unit dimension is 0.1 and press enter. So the battery is done, the charger is done, the top is done, bottom is done, and the main is. I hope everyone have understood it. So if you have any doubts, then let me know. A charger is a complex component in this product. Sorry, the battery is the complex component in this product. So you can refer the recordings because there is lot of sketches and dimensions in this product. I hope you have understood something from like what are the operation we are going to use in this product. So if you have any doubts regarding the operation or you want to repeat any of the methods, then let me know. So we'll wait for 2 minutes or you can wait for 5 minutes. We have still time. The only one part is remaining now. So that is creating C-type slots and the charger slots. Let me know if you have any doubts. If you want to, if I want, you need to repeat me any methods, then let me know. Otherwise, we will move further for C slots and charger slots. Do you guys have any doubts? Shreyas, Navinya, Pranjal, Radhika. The recordings will be shared, but if you have any doubts, then I can clarify it now. So am I audible to you guys? Hello. Yes, thank you, Radhika. Yes, thank you, Shreyas. Yes, thank you, Navina. So, just give me 1 minute. I will reshare the screen. We'll be creating these slots. Give me 2 minutes. So I will share the screen. I hope everyone can see my screen. So let's create the plugs, C-type plugs and other charger pins. So main, bottom, top, and battery. We will just unhide this all the bodies. Now let's create. We'll create sketch on this face. This yes. So now we will create a construction line. Let's go to line. Select the line type of construction. Select this origin and just drag it upwards. You can give any dimension. This is just the construction line. And press left mouse button and press escape. Now we'll create the power buttons, the how much the charge is left in battery, and C-type plugs and the pins. Let's create one by one. So we will be creating the power button at first. Make sure that the construction is in off. Yes. Select circle. Select any point on this construction, but it must be inside this slot. So select this point and give the dimension. Give this diameter as 20. Press enter. Now we will offset this circle. Go to offset. Select this circle and just drag it outwards with a dimension of zero point 0.5 and press enter. You can see a small space is created between two circles. So now we'll create offset another circle. We'll select the same in 20 diameter circle. We'll drag it inside. We'll give this dimension say -1. Yes, that's look good. Press enter. Zoom out and circle is created. We will give this circle a dimension from this origin. We'll make sure that this circle is fixed. Now you can move it anywhere, right? So we'll fix this circle. Go to dimension or press D in your keyboard. Select this middle point, or you can select this 20 diameter circle and you can just select this origin. Make sure that you have selected the 20 diameter circle and select this origin. Give this dimension as 270. Press enter. The power button is created. Let's create a fourth circle which determines the power which is there inside the battery. So we will create four circle. Select circle 1 of diameter 8. Press enter. Now we'll give the rectangular pattern, that is go to diamond create, go to rectangular pattern, select this small circle, just drag it downwards. As you can see, three circles are created. You can change the quantity by giving it 4. Yes. So just drag it and give dimension of minus 40. So give this as minus 40 and press OK. Now we will fix this four circle. Select D, that is press D in your keyboard. Select this upper circle and the origin and give this dimension as 240, 245. Press enter. See, all the four circles move downwards because these are all connected with each other. So if you give a dimension to only one circle, then all the four circle will be get downwards. So you don't need to give all the four circle the dimension because you have created a rectangular pattern. If you are going to create the four circle, then you must use dimension for all the four circle to make it fix. So now press escape. So now we will be going to create the C slots. Now select, go to create, go to rectangular, select center point rectangular, select any point here, bottom of the power, that is four circle, bottom of the four circle, just create a rectangular and press enter. So the dimension you can give this as, give the dimension, a length of say 10 mm and the width of 4 mm. So C slot is created. Press escape. Now we will fillet these sharp points because you have seen these C slots, right? There is a smoothen surface at these 4 points. So we will go to modify and select fillet, and we will select these two lines. Sorry. So we'll go to modify and fillet, select this upper line and this line. See how it is filleted. So you can select all these four edges, this and this, also this and this. So by default the radius is 1 mm. So make sure that the radius is 1 mm. And once done, press enter. C slot is created. So once done, we will then go to rectangular pattern. You can double click it to select all these lines and this curve. Just double click it. See, everything is selected. You can see here 8 selected. So now just drag it. We only need two quantities. Give the quantities as 2 and just drag it. Give the dimension as say minus 15. Yes, that looks good and press enter. So the two C slots are created. Now we will going to create the charger pin. So let's create another circle. So and make sure that these C slots are fixed. Now we can move these C slots. So we will fix this. Go to dimension, select the upper line, this line, and just go at the bottom and select this point. And you can give the dimension as 190. Press enter. Yes, once done, press escape. Now create another circle and somewhat this position. We will give the dimension later. Just drag it and give the dimension as say 40, diameter of 40 mm. And press enter. So we will create three and four more circles inside this circle, four small circles. First, we will create this centers. From this center, we will give the dimension as 5, press enter, and we will create another two circles. So we will just select the circle, take your cursor at the center point and just drag it left side. As you can see, a blue construction line is shown. It means that this line is perpendicular to the construction line. So just drag it and select any point and give this diameter of 5 mm. Do the same, create another circle, just drag this point and give the diameter as 5 mm. So once done, press enter. So we will give this dimension for these two circle, the circle 1 and circle 3. Press D, select this point and this point, give the dimension as 13 mm. Do the same, select these 2 points and give the dimension as 13 mm. So three circles are created. Let's select, let's draw the another circle at the upside up position. Let's go to create, select the circle, select any point inside this circle on this construction line. Give the dimension as 4 mm, a diameter of 4 mm. Press enter. Let's offset this inner circle. We'll just offset it. We'll go to offset. We'll select this inner circle. Just drag it and give this dimension as 0.2. Let the an offset circle be outside the sketch. So if you give minus 0.2, it will come inside the circle. So let it be plus and press enter. So we will give this dimension also. We will select D, select this inner circle and select this circle point and give the dimension as say 13 mm and press enter. So it is done. Now we will fix this outer circle. Select this outer circle and select the origin. We'll give the dimension as 140. Press enter. See, with the outer circle, all the inner circles moved up. So because these are all linked with the outer circle. Hope you can see my screen, guys. So we will move further. So these sketches are created. The last part remaining is the extrude. You'll just extrude it. You'll because these are the main display where power button, the how many power is remaining in the battery slots. So we will make sure that the dimension are matches with the product. So finish the sketch. Once done. Now we'll go one by one. So let's extrude. Select this C slot and these two circles. So these are the pins which are connected inside with the inside component. Just drag it inside and we will give this as say minus 30 and press OK. So as you can see, the sketch disappeared. You can go to browse sketches and you can unhide the sketch. I will disable the browse for now. So the sketches are visible. Now we will then go to extrude. We will select this outer circle and we will just drag it. Let's select the inner circle, extrude, select this inner profile and give this dimension minus 0.1 and press enter. Yes. Then we will go to extrude and select this outer profile and give this dimension as plus 0.1 and press enter. So once done, so we will go to these small circles. We like select extrude, select all these four profile, Give the dimension as minus 0.1 and press enter. Now we will do this. We will go to extrude. We'll select this profile, the rim, give the dimension as minus 0.1. Select, go to extrude, select this profile and just give this dimension as minus 1. Press enter. Once done, you can go to browse, you can go to sketch and you can hide the sketch. See how neatly it has been created. We forgot to extrude the another circle, the outer circle, right? We'll go to sketch, we'll go to, we will unhide the sketch and we'll go to extrude. We'll select this profile and we'll just drag it inside with a dimension of minus 3 and no, I think minus 2. Yes, I think it's minus 2 is fine. You can say minus 0.5. That looks good. Press enter. It's done. Hide the sketch. With the dimension as, see, the operation is cut. So the dimension is minus 0.5. Once done, so you can hide the sketch. See, all these slots are created. So the last step remaining is to fillet. So let's go to fillet, press F, select the inner circle, just drag it and give this as 3. Give this as 3 mm. Press enter. See how this is neatly done. So we have almost like we have completed. I can say we have completed the solid modeling. So yes. So anyone have any doubts? Then they can ask me. So in the further session, we will be going through appearances, rendering, and drafting. So your product is done, your battery is done, your main, bottom, top, and charger is done. See, if you unhide this, like if you hide this main, the slots are also being created here because if you are given the exclude of minus 30 mm. So yes, so that's all. We have done everything. And also the charger, if you hide this bottom, see the charger is also being created. And at the bottom. So yes, so if you have any doubts, then let me know. We have completed the solid modeling, and in further session we will be going through rendering. So make sure that you have completed the solid modeling for, because in tomorrow's session, if you do rendering, then you need this model, right? So make sure everyone go through the recordings and complete the solid modeling of the product. So we still have 2 minutes. If you have any doubts, then feel free to ask me. If you need any operation to be repeated, then you can ask me. And also